Yo, Leute. Wait, yo, what's good, guys? So, today I'm gonna play Airplane Story 2. Just because in the last one we left off with, I think we crashed the plane or something like that. I'm not sure. I want to go back. I have like dementia. But you've been invited to a super exclusive trip with the president. For what the hell we been invited? I don't know. Try a new game, Airplane Problem. No, thank you. I am going on. I wanna go in, but I'm not sure. Because if we need more than one people, also my avatar is still freaked up. So yeah. Also, I'm not sure if 4 people are going to do it, but I guess whatever it takes. Also, yes, I still have that random stuff, background sounds. I'm not sure, but yeah. Airplane Story 2. Wait, are there any other airplanes? Because we kinda teleported fast as heck. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up. Okay, what is here? Oh wait, don't I get here? Oh, that scared me. Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, okay. Also, I know this story is kinda like old as heck. Like that, it's really old, but I don't care. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. Kelly, As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yeah, I can tell. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. You heard it right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. Why? I crashed up. You saved an airplane last time. I wouldn't rather say saved. I kinda made a guy crash it. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day. That is the reason we are here. Now, I baited a guy into crashing it. Right, enough chatting. Right here. Oh, I'm just helping him. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit. Also, this time it's not that freaked up. I can immediately sit here. Yeah, we're gonna do some rolls. Also, in the first airplane one, I kinda went in like already knowing some stuff that happens, but now I'm going in completely blind, so I don't know what the frick is going to happen. The last one I just knew what the start was, but now I'm not. I don't. I actually don't. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in next room. Please find him there in further instructions. Oh, I think we found them. Also, I am sick for the I was sick for the past 2 weeks, and I'm still not out. And remember, no one should know about this. Oh damn! Did my guy just do this? And remember, no one should know about this. Welcome to the Welcome to the presidential airplane, and congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. I baited a guy into crashing the plane. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Nah. Okay. Glasses. Nah, I ain't touching those. What is that yellow thing under there? Is that pea? Or is that on a plate? On which is it? Either way, I'm still not touching that. Something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Okay, that's all. I will probably drop that president. So, why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? No, I don't think I will. No, I don't think I will. Oh, we only. Oh no, I'm so sorry. No, look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. No, I need to find. I guess this is. I guess I can help. Like, Okay. Yeah. After he is kind of my buddy, so I won't let him go away. No. If it's a woman, yes. If it's anyone else, hell no. They staying. It's dark. Also, I'm pretty sure this will take like double or triple as long as that. Oh, is this Ronald Trump or what the heck? Oh, Donald Trump. But this he ain't no president. Oh, Ronald. That is the most American thing I ever seen. Well, what? I'm sorry, it's the habit. Oh, of course it's the habit. You Donald Trump. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Is it okay for him if we just like step on all of these plates and crack them? Where is the cook? I'm pretty sure the soup is gonna be ready. Because, or is it a soup? Yeah, probably because in that type of things there are soups and not anything else. But it might be a cake. I am good for cakes. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. Why? Believe the chef messed up. Bruh! What? Hold that chef off this? Bro, chill. You don't have to be that mad. We let oh crap, bro. Wait, me? Wait, no, not me. I look like I don't even know how to cook. Bro, please don't. Please. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of... Oh, shit. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. What the heck is all of this? Oh, he is telling me the ingredients. Okay. Before the timer runs out. Oh no. I hopefully it's like a few items. Throw it in the trash. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Time to cook. The soup needs eggs. Oh, eggs. The soup needs grapes. The soup needs chicken. Chicken. Is it like a chicken grape soup? Tomatoes. Tomato. Is that a tomato? No, that's an apple. A tomato. Whoa. Why am I kind of good at It's eggs, even more eggs. Well, I guess I accept it. Oh, I did it faster than Kobe Bryant did 1 centimeter. Also, that guy, good. I like that guy. Bro, I don't even know him, but shout out to this guy, Le Christopher. I know it doesn't mean much for me because I only got like not even 10 subscribers, but man, my homie. Good. It looks delicious. Yeah, of course, because I made it. Are those the tomatoes? Then those are the eggs. And what did I put in that spoon? And bro, I might have to like skip a lot because this takes way too damn long. I ain't uploading a 20-minute stuff. Did the president? Where the hell did the president go? We hope you enjoyed this soup. President had to leave early. Oh. We should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Suite? I don't even know how to pronounce that. Please follow the path to the computer room. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the computer room. This mother fricker. This guy can teleport or what? I'm pretty sure I just saw him like right there. I'm pretty sure he was just. What the fuck? I saw this on X Demon channel. I don't know who that is, but okay. When I watch it. Swooped. When I watch it. Okay, who the hell is X Demon? I don't know. I don't care. He sounds okay, to be honest. We must try and figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Let me tip it's white. You got to click on it until it's white or what? Or is it like an extra code? Oh, yeah, probably till it's white. Oh. Bam. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Ooh, papers. Ooh, paper. I don't know what these papers mean, but I guess I can take them. Pilot room. Can we... That jump scared me as heck. What the heck? Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I'm pretty sure we don't need that. I had to get everything ready. Yeah, that sounds suspicious. Are you a monster or some kind? I'm pretty sure the monster can't disguise himself as other people though. He can summon people though. Or snakes at least. Are you a summoned minion from him? For some reason I can't find my key. Oh. No. So, kinda do something here. Whoa, you didn't even take the keys. How did you open the door if you didn't even take the keys? Man, this story is him. What does that matter? Him. Wait, we had frost haunted him. He frosted a haunted. What? Oh damn. That was a bit. Let me out. Why can't we see anything? Oh, wait. Oh, that's the curtain. Okay, never mind. Let me out. Oh, at least I can watch TV. Why did it say him? I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not a trophy here. I'm playing for my first time ever. Well, how long is this? 15 minutes, mod. What the heck? We didn't even get to a chase scene or something. Is this like even the start? Or is this actually a tutorial? Like, man, how long is this? I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. Yeah, okay. Do I care? No. I hope. I like it that we can see clowns, but... Oh, the curtain is going up. Nice. Now I can finally see, but why is it... Oh. Oh, we are fine. Oh, we are fricked. Oh, we are fricked. Oh, one. Well, why do you forgot about me so? One. Run. Oh, run! Get those jiggly ass, looking legs working. Run! You better run until it's not too late. Well, I damn well knew that we have to run, and I'm pretty. Stop it. It's always good. I'm going up here. I'm pretty sure we gotta get up here. I'm going up here. I don't care. There might be fire coming from the floor too. Like, oh, he didn't say anything. What? Okay, we got to one chase scene. Okay, that's good. Whoa, this. It took us like 17 minutes to get to our chase scene, but... Okay, we're safe. Okay, we are safe. Whew. I'm not sure if... The floor. Yeah, they died. They dead. Wait, are we going to die? Are we not supposed to be in here? I'm pretty sure. Whew. Okay, we are safe. I hope that is not a secret. Okay, let's go. The fire is gone. What is happening? Questions that I didn't even know I'm asking. There is a telephone here, and I'm pretty sure that we gotta go up. Bruh. Answer it. I'm clicking it. Hello? Who is there? No. Answer. I'm glad you could pick up. It's fire in the hole. Okay. Something terrible. You don't say, bro. You don't say that something. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Oh, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. I know damn well we're gonna die. The problem is the door is locked. That's from Geometry Dash. Okay. I don't know what that game is, but okay. I am like really young, so I don't know what that thing is, and I am from Germany, so yeah. That girl said that I gotta go to the. Oh, you will not escape this time. Don't let him catch you. Oh wait, he is TPing on us. Nah, he got. Oh damn. Move that. Oh damn. Ah. Oh yeah. Damn! Run! Wait. Let me point. Damn. I'm not slick at all. Oh no, don't let him catch you. I am gonna die. I know that I'm gonna die. Whoa, 15 seconds. Fuck uns. Get the heck away from me, you demon! Oh, run, run. The cabin is open. The cabin is open. Get in, get in. Okay, I hope it disappeared. Also, there was no poisonous food here. Okay. Okay, everyone is here. We need the police. Yeah, no crap, but we are like 33,000 feet in the air. So like, I'm not sure. Altitude. I can't even speak. Did he follow us in here? I'm not sure. It didn't follow you here. Oh, okay, that's good. It made you come here. Again. That makes sense. Can we crash this plane again? Yeah, if yes, then I'm taking the seat. I knew there was something wrong here. Yeah, the good news is I'm not just a pilot, but a cop or something. Then let me tell you, he's a cop. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Talking about the devil. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. Oh, that's just like me. Yay. And there was something about things. He was obsessed with the things in a scary way. Also, this goes on for like 21 minutes. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Yeah, I'm blocking your vision. Now you gotta also crash it. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. Wow, that must be the one stupidest. Help me, I'm going to die. Help me, I'm going to die. Help me, I'm going to die. That guy was stupid. Did you know that? Could be any agent or even the president, but I'm not sure yet. We are not sure. Take this gun. Oh, I will gladly take the gun. Give me 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 the gun. Or is she gonna shoot it? We both gonna have a gun. So who's it? Oh, me. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me. Water. Why did you take it? Why? I wanted to shoot President. President. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We discovered you monster. Oh damn, he actually got a gun. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? Or what am I doing? We know about the plan to kill us. Shoot president. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. Let me tip. It's the agent. But I'm pretty sure because he was like at the start telling. He was like at the start telling that. Oh damn! Who did he shoot? Damn! Who did he shoot? Damn! He shot them. He shot the agent. Damn! I'm Albert Einstein himself. I am smarter than Albert Einstein. Whoa! It has been haunting us since the first. Oh my god! Whoa! What the fuck? Bro, I'm Albert Einstein. They Thank you for saving my life. No problem. Imagine I do this by myself. Lol. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. Once again? I would say I saved it one time, but man, I am Albert Einstein himself. Like 10 times the IQ of him. At least it's finally gone now. Why his hands still look like claws? Still look like spikes. Gone home. You finished Airplane 2, Eva. Let's go. Okay, that was Airplane 2. You've been invited to a super exclusive trip to President. Yeah, GG's to my homie here. Shout out to Le Christopher 304. Yeah, he good. I might do Airplane 3 with him too. Like, I'm not sure. But damn. This was a way too long of a video to record, so yeah. Your wins won. Okay. So Airplane 3 tomorrow, and GG's.